0-11. Dude, they're giving Falcons AP Bren an egg, brother. This is crazy.
Man, the homeboy Strickman.
Maybe Omega weren't bad. Maybe Blacklister's just insane, boys.
Yeah, I agree.
What the hell?
Factor,
Guys,
man.
what is happening to AP?
Guys, maybe TNC weren't bad. Maybe the entire MPLPH roster is just insane.
Hey.
Hey, Mirko.
Hey, sorry. Wrong Discord.
Now
This
this is the official. Yeah, this is the official statement. We're actually tanking so we can get the top picks next season.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go, guys. So he's staying in TNT next season. That's what he's saying, guys. So he's not joining Dewa, not joining Bigatron. Wait, diver, dude. Yo, Haji is back to his prime, bro. What is up with this guy? He shits on the Loyi yesterday, and now he picks the Loyi. Oh my god.
Okay, let me try to turn it up.
Louis Ling. It's the Louis Arlott, bro.
Holy moly, bro.
Is this me? I can hear like Filipino songs. Like the casting.
Oh, Lord Jam! Oh my lord.
That has been from my
How did you survive? Oh, he didn't survive. He got. It's over.
Hey, if you just-
Guys,
Oh, it's over, GG's.
Falcons AP Bren didn't get a single kill.
Wait, zero kills.
Wait, no way. No way.
Wait, can it defend?
Oh,
They
they're
gave-
getting
Oh my god. Boys. Blacklist International. They didn't just beat FCAP. They took a big shit on their chest, bro. Holy moly.